Women are hilarious. Men are very serious. You know what I mean? A man would never wear shorts and a t-shirt. Something a woman would do. Hello ladies and gents. Welcome to another vlog. Welcome. As I am cruising here through the Zumbo. Is anybody gonna hit me? Probably, maybe. Hard to tell. You're fun? Huh? Good? Yes, maybe, kinda, sorta. Maybe, sorta, kinda. So here I am, leather jacket, fucking fall gloves, layered up to shit, and it's like summertime. Look, the fucking tourists are out in t-shirts. You know what I mean? It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. And I'm just gonna ride home. A quick cruise home. I still got like 2 hours of work to do, bro. Come on, G. You fucking... No, I'm going that way. Oh, got it. Thank you. Mama, Mimi, Mumu, Mama, Papa. Is there a pawpaw right here? Let's hope not. Yesterday there was a big truck that rolled over right here. That's pretty crazy. Oh my goodness, I love this bike. I can't wait to go upstate and just actually be on the fucking road. I kind of miss that. Kind of miss the wide open road. As fun as these little dinky little street runs are, nothing beats a proper long road trip in this temperature, man. Spot on. Can't get better. Alright, we're almost there. And we're gonna go slow here because there is a speed camera. La 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 la. Thanks, van. Why would you go behind me anyway? Boy. We're gonna slow way down, way down. You have to. You really gotta. Not 100% sure what happened here, but we made it. We made it for the most part. Look at that, people in shorts and flip-flops. That's hilarious. She's acting like she's like been meaning to do this forever. Women are hilarious. Women are hilarious. Men are very serious. You know what I mean? A man would never wear shorts and a t-shirt. Something a woman would do, right? I don't know, but I'm fucking, nonetheless, I'm fucking warm as shit. I am warm as shit. And look at this jerk. Look at this guy. You gonna try to pass me? Gonna try to pass me, really? Don't think so. I don't even know if this is a vlog or not. You know, is this a vlog, or is this just a thing? Am I racing this guy? I can't tell. I might be. Anyway, everything will be okay. I'll talk to you guys later. I mean, I don't even know if this is a vlog or not. It's probably not a vlog. This is probably just a video. Okay. All right, bye.